What about using the energy comes from waves in the ocean? Energy from wave can be used to turn generators. We have lots of waves in the seas around many countries, such as the UK. Doesn't cause pollution, and there are more problems can be solved and still under development. We can make a windmill. We can generate electricity from wind. When you blow the windmill, it will turn. The moving air pushes the blades round. What happens if you blow harder? Wind can turn generators. Many years ago, windmills were used to turn mill stone to grind grain. Now modern wind turbines are used to turn generators. Don't pollute the air because it's very clean, and wind is not used up. It will not vanish. But sometimes the wind doesn't blow. So this is the disadvantages. What about getting energy from the mother sun? We use solar cells, or what we call photovoltaic cells, to generate electricity. Photovoltaics, it converts the sunlight into electricity. Use solar cell to change energy in sunlight into electricity. For examples, have you seen traffic sign without any source of electricity and still have a light? Yes, because it has a panel above of it, and this panel consists of small cells or solar cells, and actually it converts the light in the day to electricity. And it can be used in the parking meter or even in the watches. No generator needed, so there is no noise, and needs a lot of sunlight, so it cannot be used in the night. The space station has huge solar panel, and can see in this picture from NASA. The International Space Station uses solar panels to collect energy, making it possible for scientists to live on board and do experiments. The framework in 109 meters long. What about fusion? Fusion makes the sun shine. So, scientists are finding way to get huge amount of energy. When small atoms join together, energy is given out, just like the sun. It will not run out and doesn't pollute the air. And this is advantages of fusion. The future not possible for another 20 years because it is still under development, and we can find it in future. Energy sources can come from fossil fuels, coal, gas, oil, but all of these are source of pollution to our atmosphere. There is another sources, we call it renewable sources, and don't run out, just like hydroelectricity. It needs mountains. Wind only work when wind blowing, just like in the north of Great Britain in Scotland. Waste and rotting vegetation, this can be generate dioxide, carbon, greenhouses gases. We can convert the sunlight, and it can be useful better in sunny countries, just like Middle East. Geothermal is only found in countries with hot springs, just like New Zealand. Waves, small scale only, still need a lot of development. Energy from nuclear reaction, it can be done by two ways. Fission, this waste need very careful handling, and this is can be found in a lot in different countries like Germany and France. The other one is fusion. It's waste less dangerous, but it will not be found in 20 years from now. Will not run out, but very difficult to use it. Now let's say, and let's do some recap. A generator generates an electric current by moving magnet near a coil of wire. We need source of energy to turn the generator. Burn fossil fuels, nuclear reaction, or renewable energy. You will have to choose. Depends on your situation and on your country and your budget.